Good morning, children. I am Jennifer Mann. I'm here today to teach you a new number name and also to revise the 12 months of the year. As you have already learned the spellings of number names from numbers 1 to 18, let's go through them once again as seen on your screen. Number names 1 to 18. 1. O-N-E. 2. T-W-O. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 4. F-O-U-R. 5. F-I-V-E. 6. S-I-X. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 9. N-I-N-E. 10. T-E-N. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. So children, tell me, if you break up 19 in two parts, what will you hear? You will hear 9 and teen. Now, you know how to spell 9 and teen. You already learned how to spell 18. So, when you join the two parts, that is 9 and teen, you get the spelling of 19. 19. And that is the new number name you are going to learn today. So children, listen carefully as I spell 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. Once again, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. So children, once again, we will revise number name 19 as seen on your screen. Number name 19. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. Children, please repeat after me. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. Now, let us write number name 19. So children, please open your classwork book to page number 75. 75. Children, we shall write today's date. 1/8-1-2/1/21. We will now write 19 between the dotted lines. 1, 9, 19. Now, I want you all to write over the 19 written in black on the top line. So it's blue line to blue line. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Now the next line. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Children, I hope you're writing along with me. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Next line. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. And the last line. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Now children, the other column you can complete later on. Children, you have to write number name 19 in the same way in your homework book on page number 40. 40. Now children, what month are we in? Yes, we are in the month of January, which is the first month of the year. In addition to January, there are 11 months. Let us revise the names of those 11 months too. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now that we have said the names of the months of the year, we are going to sing it in the form of a song.
These are the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. These are the months. We'll sing it more than once, and we'll sing it loud enough for all to hear. Say January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, sing it more than once, and we'll sing it loud enough for all to hear. Say January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year.
Now, let's go through the spellings of each month as seen on your screen. Children, I would like you to say out aloud along with me. January, January. February, February. March, March. April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. Now, let us write the months of the year. So children, please open your classwork book to page number 129. 129. Children, we shall write today's date. 1/8/18-1-2/121. We will begin with writing numbers from 1 to 12 as there are 12 months in a year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So please remember the number which goes with each month. Children, which is the first month? Yes, January. So we'll write capital J starting from the red line. J A N U A R Y. After January, February. Capital F E B R U A R Y. After February, yes, March. M A R C H. Then comes April. A P R I L. After April, May. M A Y. What comes after May? Yes, June. J U N E. Then comes July. J U L Y. August. U G U S T. September. S E P T E M B E R. After September, October. O C T O B E R. Then comes November. N O V E M B E R. And the last month, December. D E C E M B E R. Children, let us revise the months of the year once again. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Children, once again, I would like you to write the names of the months of the year in the same way in your homework book on page number 73. 73. So children, keep revising the number names and the months of the year. See you in my next session. Until then, bye-bye.